Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2012 government pass question. Question number 5. Question number 5 here says, in a democratic government, political sovereignty is vested in the dash. In a democratic government, political sovereignty is vested in the dash. A. Legislature. B. Affiliate. C. Executive. D. Electorate. Now, I want to talk of political sovereignty. It means the ultimate power and authority of governing a state is located not in the legislature, not in the elite, not in the executive, but in the electorate. Electorate means the people in general. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.